Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Monzo to Revolut. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Monzo to Revolut. The first thing to do is to obtain your Revolut account details. So to do this, you have to open your Revolut app, then navigate to the hard money section. Then from there, you have to select the bank transfer to view your Revolut account details, including the account number and your sort code. Then after that, open your Monzo app, then tap on the payment icon, then select pay someone and make a bank transfer. Then after that, you have to enter the account name, the account number and the sort code of your Revolut account, then input the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. And that's how to send money from the Monzo to Revolut. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.